Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, June the 28th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, and two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary, because half of the puzzles in the additional I will solve, and we have 7 puzzles in this additional. So the third one is a binary, and this will be number 4768. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then I need to think. Yeah. Nope. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Let me think. How about? Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. Then. Yeah. Can we compare? Yeah. This column and that column. Empty box. Oh, 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With 1 here, this should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Between an O comes an 1. Then it's not helping me, but yeah, I need to think. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 4 minutes. Great binary. Only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Early stage to compare. Often you need to compare end of the puzzle, but you need to compare this one quite early. And I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.